about the clap. My son's being kind of an asshole.
The first time she said that to a man.
Hi, welcome to Mama Deb's Kitchen. What?
She turns out the worst possible time.
Her?
Perfectly still right there. Fucking
Here we go.
amateurs.
She's back. Hi there. How are you guys doing out there? We are making today keto garlic parmesan chicken and roasted Brussels sprouts. I've called it everything but Brussels sprouts today, haven't I? Mm-hmm. So I'm going to show you here what I have prepared right now. I have salt, peppered, and Italian seasoned chicken breasts. I cut them in half. In here, while we were waiting to film, the butter got a little brown, but there's butter and olive oil. So what I'm going to do right now is kind of I'm cooking these in this pan. She's peeling and cutting the Brussels sprouts. And when we come back, I'm going to show you.
Brussels sprouts, cute.
Cut that part out.
No, you don't. I'm going to start cooking this in the pan, and then when we come back, we're going to show you how we make the sauce and how she's going to prepare her Brussels sprouts. So I'm just showing you that there's salt, pepper, and Italian seasoning on these right now so far. Hi, welcome back to Mama Deb's Kitchen. I have browned the chicken. Jesus, it's a clown show today, a circus. Yvette is going to show you how she's doing her roasted Brussels sprouts. And then in the meantime, I'm melting butter and I'm going to make the sauce for the chicken, the garlic parmesan chicken.
So
You add this stuff into the bowl and mix it up.
And then mix it.
Okay, so tell them what's in there.
Okay, so we have soy sauce, olive oil, minced garlic, salt, and pepper in here. And the soy sauce that we're using is keto friendly. This is the soy sauce we're using. It's called Nutavita. Okay.
You can mix
So we're
them.
gonna mix in this little bowl.
They're going to go in the oven on 400 and she's going to put the timer for 20 minutes. Okay, so then come over here to me. I browned a lot of chicken because I feed a lot of people. My next step says I've already melted a little bit more butter in here. And it says to add the minced garlic. Oh, this is not minced garlic actually. It says 8 cloves of garlic. I did 5 cloves of garlic because they were big. I chopped them and minced them myself. And I'm stirring this until it becomes fragrant. So now I'm adding in, it says 3/4 of a cup of white wine, which I really don't like to part with. Just kidding. And bring the white wine and reduce 5 to 6 minutes. So I'm going to let this reduce. We'll take a little break. And when I come back, I'm going to add in the heavy cream and the grated Parmesan. And this will make the sauce with some heavy cream. So I have heavy cream to go in there yet. And half a cup of grated Parmesan cheese. This is going to be good. And then I'm going to add the chicken back into the pan and let it simmer in the sauce, waiting for the Brussels sprouts, and then we'll have our meal ready. We'll be right back. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Welcome back. I have deglazed, or whatever it's called, scraped the pan. I have reduced the wine. Now I'm going to add in the heavy cream and the Parmesan. And then it just says to place the chicken back in here and let it simmer in there. So we got 10 more minutes on the Brussels sprouts. So I'm just going to kind of simmer this in here because this chicken's cooked. I always say this every time I do a show, but I'm a freak about chicken and cooking it and long enough, and I always cook it long enough before it says to like almost cook it and then put it in here. I want to know it's cooked before I put it in the sauce. So I'm just going to let this simmer, and then when the Brussels sprouts are ready, we'll be right back to do our taste test. Oh, Sorry, I'm a little bit ahead of time. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Sorry about the clap. My son's being kind of an
That's the first
asshole.
time she said that to a man.
That was actually pretty
He's a
funny.
comedian.
That was actually pretty good.
He is a comedian. Dumbass.
Welcome back to Mama Deb's Kitchen. We're here with Mama Deb's.
And we're here with hopefully
Let's wrap this
daughter-in-law
up. Come on.
Yvette.
Come on.
Okay, so everything's out. So come and look at the Brussels sprouts and the chicken. I cut a piece for
Well,
you.
for you, you're a tester.
What
You
you
wanna
say?
make
Okay, and look, this is how it kind of looks in the pan. Come here. See how thick and juicy that sauce is?
See how thick and
I
juicy
made
that
garlic
sauce
bread
is.
for them. So this is all of our plates prepared. So Billy is going to be, can you hold the camera, Yvette?
Yes.
Can you see okay, so taste the
Wait.
chicken. You're tasting the Brussels sprout for, this is a big
Wait.
task for him.
You have to turn towards the camera. What kind
I
of...
want to eat.
Do you like those?
Is it good?
He's not a vegetable person, but the fact that he tried it is like an effort. How's the chicken?
Real good.
What is it? What do you taste?
Chicken?
No, come on. Don't
Taste
get
How's
it.
it taste?
Fucker. Thinks she's a little tipsy.
Yeah, she is.
Okay, here. This is your plate. Why don't you try it?
Good luck
real
with Eric.
quick. You take a bite.
You're welcome, babe.
It's a mess in here. This is a mess. And I make garlic bread for them.
See,
And-
this is how you taste it. You look at the camera.
Yeah, because America wants to see you put something in your fucking mouth.
Is it good? Okay, good. All right, thank you so much for joining us. I will post both recipes. She made the Brussels sprouts, I made the chicken. And next week she's gonna show you how she makes some badass espresso martinis.
That's how it's from.
They were good. You didn't
You
have
can't even
any.
drink it.
You can't
You
drink
can't
it.
drink it. Stupid idiot.
Artwork producer.
Yeah, fuck you both.
Thank you for joining us. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Check out our new merch. New merch drop. I have to use the terms they tell me to use. And the press conference. What did he say?
The new one, the whispering eye.
No.
What's the whispering
It's dirty.
Oh, I don't get it.
I know you don't. I don't. Either. I live in a house full of idiot boys. Come on, you made me lose my script here. The press
Yeah.
conference in the clinch. And we need to talk to our other partner, Chris Adams, about the Desert Gems because he's really slack-a-lacking.
Tisk, tisk, Christopher.
Thank you for joining us.
Have a good night.